Hi, Brendan. Maybe you didn't realize, but the only way really to work this problem is to use your Excel stat program. So hopefully you have the code for that and you've downloaded the program. So what you want to do on your toolbar is click on Excel stat, and then you're going to click on the left arrow here to launch it. And you want to go to modeling data, and you want to go to linear regression, and you want to pick your quantitative, your dependent variable, which is, I think we're trying to do, hold on, I got to look at the problem again. I think you're trying to predict all right, I assume you're trying to predict the cholesterol based on the age, so I'm going to do it that way. So let's pick cholesterol as the dependent variable, and then, oh wait, I got to start again. I'm sorry, because you're needing to do a prediction. My apologies. You have to go into the problem and see, you want to predict for a 34-year-old man. Okay, so there, that tells me the answer. So I'm going to put 34 down here because I want to do a prediction for a 34-year-old man. So, all right, so now I'm going to go to modeling data, linear regression, pick my Y variable, which again is the cholesterol level. And then I'm going to pick my quantitative variable, my independent variable, which is the age. I've got variable labels. I'm going to put this into the current spreadsheet. So I click on range and I just pick a cell there. And then I want to go to prediction on this tab, prediction, and then I want to tell it where that variable number is that I want to predict for, which is right here, 34. And then on the options, make sure, let's go back and look at the problem, make sure you have the right 95%. Okay, yes, so you want to make sure that you have the confidence level selected correctly on the screen for 95%. This is going to do all the work for you, so you don't need to do anything by hand, and I'm going to turn off this model selection. I was doing a stepwise regression earlier. You don't need to have any charts come out. I would leave a lot of outputs here. I like to have a lot of outputs. Really, all you're going to need is the confidence intervals, and I'll show you. Yeah, you don't need any of these. Okay, so let's click OK. All right, so in the output, if we scroll down, all the way down, you're going to see here, here's the model right here. Cholesterol is 105.03 plus 1.88 times the age. And then right below it is that one I wanted to do, you wanted to do prediction for, which is 34, age of 34. Here's the predicted cholesterol level right here. And then if you look over here, here is if you wanted to predict for a mean, which is a confidence interval. And then if you want to do an individual prediction interval, it's over here. And it's going to be, actually the prediction intervals are wider than the confidence level. So these are the ones you want right here. So 99 point, let me see how many, sorry, that's the wrong clicker there. Let me see how many decimals they wanted. They wanted 1 decimal place. So it's going to go in with 1 decimal place. So you want to put in here 99.6 for the lower, oops, lower here, 99.6, oops, 0.6, and my upper is 238.6. So I really, really, really encourage you to learn to use, oh, there's more on it. Hold on a second. No, okay, I want to check my answer. I encourage you to use the Excel stat, because if you try to do this by hand, you're going to spend an awful lot of time. And then they want you to pick the scatter plot. I don't know if you had trouble doing that or not, but you can create a scatter plot. I don't remember if you asked me about that, but you want to create a scatter plot so you can go back to your data, pick your X and Y. Got to get back up to the top here. And pick your X and your Y here, and then just go insert and a scatter plot. And again, I can't remember if you asked me about that or not. And then just scatter plot right here. And we'll just do a simple scatter plot, and we've got the age along here. Yeah, so there's the scatter plot, and then you want to pick the graph that matches it. So hopefully this will help you. Please, please use your Excel stat program. There are Excel tip sheets in the unit modules in my courses to help you with this, but you don't want to do these problems by hand. It's just taking too much time. So you see how it'll do the regression equation for you. It'll do the prediction intervals for you, so it'll save you an awful lot of time. Okay, hope this helps.